I created a free community engagement idea generator, and it goes by your community niche. So all you have to really do is you just type in what your community is about, and that can be one word, or because it is a text area, it can be like a few sentences even. But for this example, I'm just going to use marketing, so I would just put marketing and press send, and then it'll generate 50 new community engagement ideas. So here we have the full 50, and this is hooked up to Chat GPT 3.5, I believe. But it's just easier because, again, you just have to put in like your one community niche. But the engagement ideas are pretty good. Like, it starts with number 1, start a weekly or monthly newsletter with industry updates, tips, and success stories. Create a dedicated online forum where members can ask questions, discuss ideas, and share resources. Host virtual networking events to facilitate connections and collaborations. And then as you go further along, it's like host virtual workshops or courses on marketing skills like SEO, content marketing, social media engagement. And number 50 is establish a recognition program where outstanding community members are highlighted and appreciated. And this is the second time that I've run this specific marketing niche prompt, and it has given me different answers each time, so it does generate new answers, which is really interesting. So if you wanted to create your own tool, you would go to freeaikit.com, and then you would just go to Playground, and you would choose an icon for your tool. So that would just be like for your community or whatever, and then you put your tool name in, community idea generator, and then basically you can put it differently. Heading could be like generate 50 new engagement ideas in seconds. And you can also put a link to your website if you want. And then the meta description and the description could change depending on however you wanted to set it up. And then over here, you put the tags. Right now, there's a limited amount of tags, but it could grow as more people create more tools here. But for this one, because it's community engagement tool, I would put marketing, maybe education, and business. And so your template would be how you want people to input their information. So you could put 1 input, 2 inputs, 3, or you can put a text area. I like putting a text area. And this is going to be the input label of what people are actually like putting in order to generate the prompt. So for ours, because it's community engagement based on the niche of your community, you would put community niche. And you'll see up here at the top, above my head, it says basically like, here's the example, generate an idea around the topic, and then you have kit_user_input1. So you copy this, and then down here in this last box that has just shown up, which is your prompting box, this is where you put the tool prompt. So I'm going to put generate 50 community engagement ideas for and then that's where the input is going to come from. So whatever their community niche is going to be here, and then community. And I'm going to click show tool prompt to user, and then when that is all done, now you are just going to make sure this is selected, first of all, and then just hit create tool. So now the tool has been submitted, and you'll be able to actually go back into your dashboard and find the tool. So here is where we would go back. And here's the tool that we used in the very beginning. So you would just put the niche, whatever your community niche is, and it would output the prompt. So it's that easy, and you can really create a tool like this for anything that you would want to use it for, whether you want to generate, YouTube title ideas, whether you want to generate newsletter ideas, or something very specific for your community members, something that you guys do together. But whatever it is, you can create your own AI tool or prompt tool with freeaikit.com, and it's actually really fun and easy.